Hey everyone, I'm Julian Chikatu, and we have our hands on the Pixel 4 XL. This is the $899 model with 64 gigs of storage, and let's go unbox this thing. So we've already unboxed the Pixel 4, the smaller one, and that's what you can see right here. This is the really black model, and this one what we have right here that we are about to unbox is the Pixel 4 XL in the Oh So Orange limited edition color model. So I'm not really sure how limited it is, whether it'll sell out quickly, so if that's a color that you really like, you might want to go and buy that. You can see the packaging is very similar to what Google has used before on prior Pixel phones. Very easy to remove these little stickers. There you have it, Pixel 4 XL. Moving that here for a second, let's continue on into the box. This is where you get your SIM tool opener, as well as the user guide and your safety and warranty information. Nothing else in there. Over here you get a 18-watt charger. That's what's over here. That's the same 18-watt charger that was on the Pixel 3, and a USB-C to USB-C charging port that pairs with this, so you can quickly charge up your Pixel 4 XL. You can also see here that it comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter. If I can, there we go. So you can plug in a USB-A appliance in and plug it into your phone. Nothing else in there. So one thing that is easy to notice that is missing is there's no headphone dongle. So there's no 3.5 to USB-C dongle for plugging in your old headphones into this phone. So you'll have to try and find a wireless solution or buy your own dongle. And there's also no included USB-C headphones, which was something that Google included last year. Okay, onto the phone. So that's the Pixel 4 XL. It's a 6.3-inch screen. Gonna turn it on. And the first thing you can see is that there's a thicker bezel at the top and a slimmer bezel at the bottom. One thing to notice is that there is no longer a front-facing speaker here on the bottom. That has been moved to the bottom edge. Flipping it over, that color looks absolutely gorgeous. I wouldn't say it's an oh so orange though. It's not even as vibrant as this little pumpkin thing right here. It's a little more pastel. Obviously, when I spoke to the designers, they wanted to go for a more approachable color, so it's not as harsh, but a little more friendlier, I'd say. And of course, you can see the design is a lot more different from what we're expecting, or at least what we've seen from previous Pixel phones. The Pixel accessibility mode, and is already talking to us. So that's the setup screen already over there. But as I was saying, with the design, you can see that the Pixel Square, that's a new thing. Gone is the two-tone design, that the line that is no longer separating two different types of textures. One interesting note, it is matte glass here, Gorilla Glass 5. This is a matte texture, so it feels really nice, and obviously you're not seeing any fingerprints, whereas not the same case with the smaller Pixel 4. Well, not necessarily the smaller Pixel 4, the really black edition of the Pixel 4. The really black model comes with a glossy color. So obviously you can see this is going to attract a lot of dust and fingerprints, much more so than this one. Now the clearly white, the third color option, that one is going to be a matte color like this, matte texture like this one. So if you are really digging the matte texture, go for the Oh So Orange or the clearly white, not the really black. The other big design change is this black band around. It nicely frames the phone's rear design. But then when you look at it around the sides, it also nicely masks the components that aren't necessary to be very seen. So the SIM slot, all of that stuff is kind of hidden away. And but really, it's adding that contrast, and it really makes the design on the back pop. We're not going to set it up quite yet and go through all of that. We're going to save that for our review video, but just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what's in the box, as well as that initial impressions as soon as you take it out. So again, the Pixel 4 XL starts at $899, the Pixel 4 starts at $799. Both are available for pre-order now, and you can nab them starting October 24th. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any thoughts about the Pixel 4, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and head to digitaltrends.com for more.